Studio.
My name is Siyabulela Sokomani and I'm from South Africa. I've co-founded an initiative called Township Farmers that does small-scale organic farms in the townships and also does environmental education and planting of trees to mitigate climate change in the disadvantaged communities of Cape Town, particularly Khayelitsha. I'm also a owner of a nursery named Shoots and Roots, where we've grown hundreds of thousands of trees that we supply in and around the horticultural landscape industries and ecological restoration. I am also one of 5 youth ambassadors of the AF100 selected by the Secretariat to create momentum in and around the continent around degraded landscapes restoration, and especially getting the youth involved and making them see that there are endless possibilities of employment, of entrepreneurship within the ecological restoration landscape itself. I am adopting the savanna biome of South Africa, or the savanna landscape in South Africa, which takes part of the eastern parts of the country and the northern parts to the Northern Cape inside, which is a biome that is muchly dominated by grasses, shrubs, and some trees, and it's rich in flora. And my wish and what I am planning to actually work towards for 2030 is that we need to put in a lot of education when it comes to ecological restoration and climate change and mitigation processes in that biome, because it is a very crucial biome for the rest of the country, because it's the biggest biome in the country and it's got a lot of endemic and indigenous species that are protected and still needs to be protected, and we need to be multiplying them and setting up of nurseries in this biome will be very crucial, because big part of what we're not talking about when it comes to the plants that we need to be planting to restore the trees that we need, that we should be planted, is the fact that they need to be the right trees, the right plants planted in the right biome at the right time. And that requires nurseries such as these to actually grow and source the plant material within the region that needs to be restored. So we can't be shipping plants from the Western Cape that are destined for the Eastern Cape restoration project. So my big part and my role is to make sure that the education is there for setting up these big production nurseries for those regions, so that it can create jobs, opportunities for the youth, so that they can see a big part of them.